my hair damaged? Let's talk about it. This is a comment that comes up often in my content, especially when I show my hair dirty. People will tell me that my hair is fried. It's also a common perception of people with really blonde hair, chemically treated blonde hair, that their hair must be fried if it's blonde. The only way to have blonde hair is to fry it, apparently. That is not the case. You can have perfectly healthy hair and it be platinum blonde. I have some clients who have hair down to their bums. It is very thick. It is very beautiful. It is 100% their hair, no extensions at all. And it is platinum blonde and gets bleached all the time. Different people's hair types just looks different. And when my hair is dirty, I have a lot of products in it that are dry. Dry shampoo, dry texture spray, things like that. So we can see right now that my hair is oily. I am going to wash it today, but if I wasn't, for some reason, I would add more dry shampoo. So let's do that. And when it's this dirty, I'd have to add quite a bit. So that absorbs the oil, as we can see. So my hair no longer looks oily and flat and stringy, but it also does look dry and dull and a little bit damaged. But it's not damaged, and the reason that it holds its shape out here, a lot of people are like, oh, if your hair was healthy, it would still fall back into place. It wouldn't stay out there. Well, I mean, again, when my hair doesn't have a ton of dry shampoo in it, it doesn't stay out there because it's not crispy and fried to the ends of the earth. It's dehydrated because we need to dehydrate our hair of all of those oils when it's dirty for it to not look oily anymore. And the unfortunate side effect of a lot of really efficient dry shampoos is drying out your hair. So that's something I balance when I decide whether or not I'm going to go in with dry shampoo or if I'm going to wash my hair, because if I'm going to wear my hair down and it's really dirty, I usually don't want to have enough dry shampoo in there that it's going to suck up all the oil, because it does make my hair look kind of dry and not super, super nice. But if I'm going to put it up, then I will usually just go in with the dry shampoo and deal with my hair going up. And I also prefer it up when I have a lot of dry shampoo, because my hair being super soft and silky doesn't hold its shapes as well as hair with all this dry product in it. I know even on this video, I will probably get comments of people saying, nope, your hair is damaged. And that's okay. You can have your opinion. I know what my hair is, and I know my hair is not damaged. My hair goes through a lot, and my hair has a lot of issues, but it's not due to chemical damage. It's due to lots of other things that are only semi within my control, but not being blonde or not styling my hair and not putting it up would not fix those problems. So I'm going to continue to make my hair the color that I enjoy. So now I'm going to wash my hair, and let's look at how it looks clean in comparison to this dry, damaged look. Let's see how not damaged my hair is once it's clean. Now my hair is washed. It was just rough dried, no styling at all, no round brushing, no heat styling, nothing at all. And we have super shiny, healthy hair. There is super soft, super fluffy. There's a slight amount of frizz because, again, my hair is not naturally just bone straight. It's actually pretty straight because, I mean, this is my hair, but because it's not bone straight, when I do blow it out, it blows out straight with just a rough dry, but we get a tiny amount of frizz that I would usually use some heat to smooth out, but super healthy. Hair does not stand out because it is not damaged, but if I did put a bunch more powder products in my hair, it would do that again. So that is just a little bit of information on what hair is going to look like if you use a lot of dry shampoo or some of the dry texture powder products that we talk about here on my channel. Not because I feel the need to justify my hair's health to anyone who doubts it, but because I know a lot of you might have some of those worries when you read comments like that. If you look at your own hair in the same state and think, oh my God, is my hair unhealthy now? No, your hair is fine. It's just dull and feeling textured because you put in those products, which are doing their job and doing exactly what you wanted them to do. I hope that helps. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. As per usual, I will do my very best to answer those for you. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. I can't wait to see you in my next video.